So now for stage 2, we're going to boot back up your Pi, connect back in using Putty to hostname once again of Raspberry Pi, the username of Pi, but this time your password you should have changed from step 1. Now once you're connected, all you're going to do is simply copy and paste each one of these lines one by one and let them run through. This can take quite some time. The final step gets you to run the demo program. You should now hopefully see an output to your screen. If you do not see any output but there are no error messages, you might have a wiring issue. If you see an error message to the screen, you might need to reinstall one of the packages listed above. Next, we need to make the program start every single time we power on your device. We're going to do this by typing out the following commands. Now I know it's just a text file writing program that we're going to be using in these examples. The top of your file should always start with the hashtag line, followed by the instruction to actually start up the program. That instruction will need your API key and a stop or station ID that you wish to monitor. If you don't know how to get these, please go to my website to follow the additional documentation. You can also skip ahead to stage 3 and it'll automatically generate it for you and then come back here later. To save the file, press Ctrl and X together at the same time, followed by Y, and then press Enter. Now copy, paste and run each one of these commands individually. Once you've done that, you should hopefully see your display now outputting live data for the station or stop that you have selected. It will continue to do so every time you now turn off and restart your Pi. And that should hopefully be it. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoy your new rail or bus departure board.